Hi folks, my name is Tom Peterson and I'm proud to do a video presentation for you today on this 2019 Apex Nano product, I believe it is, and I am correct. The Nano product now changed a little bit last year where they now started putting in this incorporated cap along with this window, which is really not only attractive, it's practical and easy to clean and maintain. It also gets all that natural light coming in, which is really a nice thing for people too, especially when you know, those that want more light. You're going to end up having a model here is called a 203 RBK because it has an outside kitchen. I'll show you that. We'll start on the inside with that rear bathroom, slide out in the middle, and it has that Murphy bed, which is pretty cool too. Come on in. So on the inside, it's a very open layout, and that's what I like in a travel trailer. I like it as small as I can get, and I like to be able to have as much openness when I want to create that. And with the Murphy bed option, which is what this one has, you get this open area as well as this additional sitting area that you have here. So for just a matter of you know, a minute or less, you can turn this into your bed at night and having your dinette still here. But you can, and during the day, you can put the bed up and have it be just like you see here, where you can house another couple or another 4 people. It makes it really nice and open and very comfortable. In 2019, the Apex came into a color now, which is more of a sort of a grayish color, I'll call it. It's really attractive, in my opinion. It has some nice accent on the cabinet doors here, and you have that storage, but it's a real nice color. They went to change the color of the counters a little bit too, to be more like a finish of like a granite, and it doesn't have any seams, which I like on that countertop, so in time they should last a long time, both here as well as your dinette booth table. You do have some access underneath the area here, and then you can get into both areas from up top if you need to by lifting that piece of plywood, which is another thing. You'll see they use plywood instead of some of the oriented strand board that some companies might choose to use. So it's a nice heavier type product that way. In the Nano product, again, it has a one-piece roof which is slightly crowned, which makes it really super strong and nice to have that for construction overall. It's a more of an expensive application, but they really find it takes some of the weight out. It makes it very strong. You do have a refrigerator freezer here that's up off the ground a little bit, so it makes it a little bit easier to get to your separate trays here if need to, instead of having to get way down there to grab stuff. You do end up having your microwave on here. That is all nice little matching stainless there that you have down below, as opposed to an oven and a 3-burner. This is a light, ultralight trailer that is a 7.5 foot width to it. So in many ultralights out there, they go up to 8 foot. Typically they're going to be anywhere from 7 to 7.5. And this right here being 7.5 gives you a little more space in it, but also keeps it fairly narrow for when you're towing behind those smaller vehicles, SUVs, and small trucks as well too. But you know, you still have your double sink and have a nice big window for extra airflow there. You also have a nice pantry area in the kitchen that goes down and deep quite a bit in there. You do have a little fan up top that is nice again for extra airflow. In the bathroom area, you'll see that we've got the shower and the toilet, the sink all inside there, very easy to see. You see, you got a lot of room around there. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up those. I forgot to open up those cupboards there, so let's do that so you can see how much there is in that area. You can see how deep that goes in quite a ways, so you end up having quite a bit of space in there for some additional storage. And on the outside, I'll show you that outside kitchen it has. So we'll go ahead and show you now one of the key things about this Murphy bed is what I'll show you here, and that is that you do have this couch that's built in. You do have some storage down below it. That's nice to have, but you can go ahead and make this down, and then you can put it back as your bed. And so of course just in reverse if you need to as well, putting it back that way. Turns into a bed, and a pretty nice sized bed. It's probably going to be an RV queen, which will be roughly 60 by 75 long. You're going to have some storage on that side. Both, I believe, are going to be just like this shirt closet. And then you got that window we talked about up in the front for additional lighting. And then you have all this overhead storage all framed in too. It's nice to have. So again, just a great product. It's a great floor plan that's fairly new for the Coachmen Apex line, and I love it. It's great, it's open, it's got nice windows in it, and let's go ahead and show you some of the exterior features as well too. You have a built-in grab handle there from the factory. You do have The patio, which is quite large, the awning is pretty big, covering that door, and also this awning covers another key area, which is this area you use for cooking, that outside kitchen. It's kind of nice. In this area here, it does have a little doorway for some storage up above, a little sink area that's hot and cold, your electric refrigerator. This has a nice drawer there with wood, and then you have this slide out here for that little Coleman grill, uses the little propane bottles. So nice to have that for outside cooking if you want to. So pretty cool. And then as we go around, of course, there'll be a spare tire and wheel. This just came in, so they're probably just PDIing it, getting it ready for that. So you have all that. Vacuum laminated walls on the sides here. You've got your hot and cold water shower here, your black tank flush, and your city water hook up there. Easy to get to on the valves. Little magnets they use to keep those open. You can see it's got really nice open pass-through area there, and they do separate out, at least in this area here. This comes with either the Murphy bed or without, so you can order this trailer if you like the layout of it. Like a lot of things, I'm quite sure you can get it with just a bed being fixed down there as well too. In the front, it does have this cap I showed you about, and that diamond plate down below, and the single 5-gallon tank. Does have room for up to 2 batteries. We're going to give you a brand new deep cycle marine battery when you buy from Guarantee. We're going to make sure that we have a technician walk you through the whole coach. We also offer 2 years, at least I should say, free roof inspections for twice a year if you need to make sure that that roof and everything is sealed and tight and ready to go. These things go down the road, they're mobile, so they move around. Always good to check those seams on that roof every year to twice a year. So once again, if you have any more questions at the end of this video, please call me at the end of that number you see. Again, it's Tom Peterson, been here for now working on my 29th year, and very proud to be here at Guarantee. It's a great place to work. It's a great time to think about buying an RV. And if you do come to Guarantee, remember here in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.